The most important thing for me that I use a lot is the JJP Vocals. This is such a good plugin. I use this nearly on everything. Again, I just use it where it says full reset. Click it to whether it's female or male, that's easy. And normally it sounds pretty good. If the vocal sounds a little bit too harsh, I can bring the attitude down. You can add this thing called space to it, so it just sounds a little bit more stereo, I suppose. And you can add the compression to what you want as well. Again, just a small amount of compression that's really needed. I try not to over compress things, particularly in the early stages when you're putting it together. Her vocals, by the way, they were sent over all as separate stems, and you can see they're all here. So that was pretty straightforward, so it's good. They were well recorded. With other singers nowadays, they can record even in their own houses. A lot have gone on courses and the quality comes back to me so good. I always make sure the vocals are dry. I don't want them with reverb. I don't want them compressed. So I do everything afterwards. But obviously the ultimate is recording your own vocals in your own studio. That's a buzz.